horsepower do we have versus last time?
Around 30. Just about 30 more horsepower.
Okay, 30 more horsepower. What did you do to the car? Explain it to us.
We changed the spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, and no oil. Cleaned out the mass sensor, and I think that's about it.
Okay. And mass airflow sensor.
It was pretty dirty.
It was pretty dirty, right? Fuel filter?
It was clogged.
It was very plugged. Okay. Did this car have any other problems with as far as the way it ran when you brought it in?
I don't think so.
No, it seemed to run fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just a good tune-up. A good tune-up, some good maintenance, and we tapped into some horsepower that we didn't know was there, didn't we?
Yep.
Anything you want to add?
It's a beautiful car now.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I mean, it was beautiful before, of course, but...
Yep. You're welcome, Dad.
Okay, very good.